Gaining awareness. In the heart of Ghana's east, where the sun always shone bright, lived a young man named James Toro, 29 years old, with dreams as big as the sky. But after school, a new path called to him the exciting yet dangerous world of gaming. What started as a little fun soon became a big problem, like a small stream turning into a mighty river. James found himself drawn deeper into the game, the thrill of winning blinding him to the risks. He got a good job, a chance to build a future, but the gambling whispers were too strong. One day, a huge temptation came, and he used his boss's money, thinking he could win it back. But the game, like a deceitful friend, took it all. The truth, like a strong wind, blew through the office. James's boss found out, and soon, the police came knocking. James was arrested, and for some days, the world outside faded, replaced by the cold walls of a cell. It was a hard lesson, a bitter taste of consequences. When James finally walked out, the sun felt different. He was free, but the shame weighed heavy. That's when his good friend, Owusu, came to him. Owusu, always looking out for his people, had heard about James's struggles and decided to find a way to help. Owusu, with a spirit as bright as the morning star, remembered hearing about the Ghana Gaming Commission. He quickly found their toll-free number, 0800-45-45-45, and their website, www.gamingcommission.gov.gh. He knew this was the first step to finding answers. Owusu wasted no time. He went straight to the Gaming Commission office. There, he met a kind officer, Officer Adam, who told him about a special "Bring the youth from your area who are into gambling," Officer Adam advised, for a better understanding. Owusu rushed back home, his heart full of hope. He found James and some other young men who also loved to game. He told them all about the upcoming event, explaining how it could help them understand gaming better and make better choices. On the day of the organization, James was hesitant. He didn't want to go, but Owusu, with his strong will and good heart, wouldn't take no for an answer. He gently but firmly convinced James and a few other guys to come along to the gathering at Legon in Medina. At Legon, the hall was filled with young faces. The topic was clear: gaming awareness. The speakers talked about how gaming could be fun, but that responsibility was the key. They showed everyone that it's important to know your limits, to play smart, and never let the game control you. Most importantly, they taught that gaming is for adults, and no one underage should ever be involved. James and his friends listened, and slowly, a new understanding began to grow in their hearts. The light of responsibility shone bright, showing them a better path forward.